Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our science period. Children, this session I am going to explain about one practical and assignment. Okay, for your first semester. Are you ready, children? So, this pandemic situation, yes, it is impossible to conduct practical in laboratory. That's why here now I will explain. Okay, children, just you have to imagine. Okay. See here title that means aim of the practical. Making the yogurt from milk in laboratory and study of the bacteria. Okay, you know that bacteria is the microorganism, isn't it, children? Study of the bacteria in it under the compound microscope. So we have to make yogurt from milk and afterwards study of the bacteria in it under the compound microscope. So I hope you might have seen this compound microscope in our laboratory, children. Yes. See here that materials. Which materials we want? A big conical flask or suitable vessel. Okay. Glass slide, glass rod, compound microscope. Some chemical also we want, that is milk, yogurt or buttermilk, methylene blue strain. So children, these all materials we want for this practical. Okay. Now I will read the procedure. You have to just imagine, children. See procedure, what you have to do. Take about 100 ml of lukewarm milk in a conical flask or a vessel. You have to take one conical flask or vessel. In that vessel, you have to take 100 ml of lukewarm milk. Okay. And add a half or full spoon of yogurt or buttermilk to it. So to that conical flask, you have to add 1 spoon of yogurt. Put a lid over the conical flask or vessel and keep it in warm place for 8 to 10 hours. So children, you have to keep one side for 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so that time what will happen, children? Already you know. Yes, what will happen? Very good fermentation. Isn't it, children? So that time exactly what chemical change will be occurring in that vessel, children? Can you say? Yes. Next step is what? Remove the lid from the vessel after 8 to 10 hours and observe the material in it. So that milk is converted into yogurt, isn't it, children? So the conical flask now it contains what? Yogurt. So next step is what? Check the taste and odor and consistency of the yogurt formed. Okay, so you have to check that liquid milk is converted into yogurt, semi-solid yogurt. So that time what you have to do, after 10 hours you have to check the taste and odor and consistency of the yogurt formed. So afterwards, take a drop of yogurt on a glass slide and a smear means you have to spread. Okay, it with the help of other slide. Okay, children, you don't use your hand. You have to do this work with the help of the slide. Okay. See here, let the smear dry for some time. So after some time, stain the smear with the help of methylene blue and put a cover slip over it. Okay. So after this procedure, what we have to do? Observe under the 45x objective of, yes, properly adjusted compound microscope. So after this procedure, children, after this step, you have to keep the slide on that compound microscope. You know very well that compound microscope, it has two lens. Yes, you have to observe this slide with the help of 45x lens. Understood, children? So that time what you will observe, see here, children, on that slide you can see like this rod shaped bacteria, that is called lactobacilli. Children, so that lactobacilli is useful or harmful, children? Yes, it is a useful microorganism, isn't it? So next one is observation. See, changes during conversion of liquid milk into yogurt. So see here, first observation, that liquid milk is converted into a yogurt. Just you have to check that consistency of that yogurt. Yes, it will be semi-solid. Okay. Next one is specific taste and odor of yogurt, that is sour taste. Okay, that milk is not a sour taste. So when milk is converted into a yogurt, that is which taste, children? Sour taste. microbes seen under the microscope, that is called what? Lactobacilli. These are the observation. Okay children, shall I go to next now? Next one is say here inference. So that first point is that lactose in the milk. You know very well that milk contains one sugar, that is called what? Lactose. Lactose in the milk is converted into lactic acid. Okay, that sugar is converted into acid in yogurt, due to which it has got sour taste. So that yogurt contains the lactic acid, that's why it has sour taste. Okay children. So rod-shaped microorganisms called lactobacilli is responsible for the conversion. So that yogurt contains lactobacilli, that is the microorganisms, that's why these changes are happening. Okay children, shall we go to next now? Yes children, for this practical what we have to do, what you have to do children, take foolscap paper and A4 size paper or foolscap paper. Okay, write your details, that means name, standard, division and your SID numbers and your SID number, and next one is write a heading practical. Okay, so afterwards, after the heading of the practical, you have to write this question. Okay children, this 4 question one by one you have to write. So first question you have to write, below that answer. Next one is second question and below that answer. Okay, I will read this questions now. Write the name of sugar present in milk. Write this question and below that what answer will come. That already you know, I think, isn't it children? That answer you have to write. Second question is what is meant by fermentation. So what answer will come, you will get this answer from your textbook children. Okay, and the third question is what? Write any 2 uses of lactobacilli. Okay, in your book 5 uses are there, you have to write any 2 uses. Fourth one is why is the yogurt very important food material. That also you can write with your own words. Understood children? Yes, shall I go to next now? Once again I will tell. Take foolscap paper, write your details, that means name, surname, standard, division and SID number. Okay, afterwards write a heading practical and write this question and you have to write the answer. Understood children? Yes, shall I go to next now? Next one is assignment. Children, for your first semester, one assignment is there, that is it carries marks children. See here 2 brief question I will give here. That question you have to write and this answer you have to search from your textbook. Okay, you will get. Here I have given the page number also. So first question is, say here, how does excretion occur in human beings? Explain with suitable diagram. Okay children, say here that excretion occur in human beings. Can you say this is which lesson children? Yes, chapter number 15. Okay, explain with suitable diagram. So children, see this question, that answer you will get from page number 166 and 167. So you have to draw neat and labeled diagram also. Okay children, first you have to write the theory part, afterwards you have to draw the diagram. Shall we go to next now? Second question is, yes, this second question I have given from that microbes chapter, that is chapter number 8, useful and harmful microorganism. Okay, why rhizobium is called a symbiotic bacteria and write its role and importance. Children, see this first one. First question, you don't make any diagram, you don't draw any diagram, only theory you have to write. Okay children, why rhizobium is called a symbiotic bacteria and write its role and importance. This question answer you will get from, yes, page number 89. Okay children, second question is, say here, draw neat and labeled diagram of yeast cells. Okay, so here only you have to draw and labeled diagram of yeast cells. Here you don't write anything children, only yeast cell you have to draw and you have to label it. So that page number 90. Okay children, so these 2 questions I have given for your assignment. Will you complete it children? Yes, it carries marks also. Okay, so see here, These instructions you have to follow, children. That material for this practical and this assignment, which material you want? You want A4 size paper or full scale paper. Okay, and next one is you have to write these details: name, surname, standard, division and SID number. Your SID number you have to write, and you have to complete your this work, which one I told now. Okay, and after the completing you have to send to the link. That link you will get from your group. Okay, children. And the next one is when you have to submit. See here, 18th September you have to submit it, okay, through the link. Okay, children. So that classification of plants also, that also one activity I had given. Many of the students, you did very well, had completed your work very well. So like this, here or this work also, it should be very neat. Okay, children, can you complete it? And some of the students, you didn't submit that first activity, that means classification of plants. Okay, so without fail I want this activity, this practical and this assignment I want, children, because it carries marks. Okay, when you will submit it, children? Yes, 18th September. Can you do? Yes. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.